Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to go ahead and discuss replacing brake light assembly, the rear brake light assembly. Such poor design. I just wanted to make a video out of it because it's very difficult. There's no reason to include the bumper and try to install this entire assembly. I'm going to show you right now what I mean by it. This is a 2012 Volvo S60. If you guys come across needing to replace the brake light, we could go ahead and you could go ahead and search my video and find this, but check this out. So you guys see here, I have the brake light that's broken. This one's going in, new one going in. I got it off of eBay, used parts. Nothing wrong with it, but this was good. This was good. We had the first step. We had 3 screws, basically, that I went ahead and removed, and these 3 screws actually fall. I'm gonna try to give you a nice little shot. 1 screw right here, right there. Okay, 1 screw we have right around there, and another screw we have right around there. So we have total 3, 1 left on bottom, top right, and then 1 in back. All right, we're good, right? We have these 3 screws taken out. We should have been able to remove this brake light. However, it's not coming off, right? No matter what, okay? So I'm like, something else is going on. Let me go ahead and take a look at the light itself. Check this out. We have another screw all the way in the back that is holding the brake light assembly here in the corner. And I'm guessing there's another screw that's being held here. I haven't even gotten to it completely. I had to take out the rear bumper right here. Yeah. And then this part is actually, I held it up so that you guys can see. This part is being held like this over here. There's a couple screws. There's 1 screw here, and there's a screw here, about 8mm. So this needs to come off, okay? And then finally, the screw that we need to get to is right here, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and take that out right now so that you guys can see. Okay, got that out. Okay, now I don't see anything else besides this 1 screw here, so let's see if it actually comes off or it's being held by another screw. Yeah, see, we got, it's being held all the way around by that screw and that screw right there. Okay, so only then I believe it may come off. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that out and show you guys. All right guys, so I was correct. I had to basically remove not only the side panel over here, well, so another panel that basically kind of sits like this. So you have, let me see here, how am I gonna put it? Right here. Okay, so this panel is sitting like this on the bottom, and this panel was sitting, as you guys saw earlier, right there. So you have to take these 2 out after the bumper and then take out the light. absolutely horrible design. Good luck replacing this. Trying to figure this out. I don't like the design, but overall I guess it's fine because it's, you know, secured inside, but that's your final product, you know. There you have it. Go ahead and subscribe, like the video, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment. If you have a better way to tackling this, let me know. I'd love to find out, but I think there's no other way because it's cranked up inside the bumper, pretty much. So yeah, hope to see you guys again in the next video.